Welcome to Uttamati Junior College online classes. My name is E.M. Naidu, Principal Junior College and JLN Naidu. I have discussed the topic mathematical induction and set and JEE Mains lo bits question discuss chestunam. First definition of the principle of finite mathematical induction. Let n belongs to n. Let Pn be the statement if P1 is true and Pk is true, implies Pk plus 1 is true. Then Pn is true for all n belongs to n. So this is called principle of finite mathematical induction. Now principle of complete mathematical induction. Let n belongs to n. Let Pn be the statement if P1, P2, P3, Pk are true, implies Pk plus 1 is true, then Pn is true for all and belongs to n. So this is called principle of complete mathematical induction. Some important points. Number 1, A plus D, A plus 2D and so on for an AP arithmetic progression. Then the first one, nth term, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Second one, the sum of the n terms, Sn equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. That is equal n by 2 A plus n. A equal to first term, D equal to common difference and L equal to the last term. Second point, A, AR square, so on are in GP. Then nth term, Tn equal to AR power n minus 1. Second, the sum of the n terms Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1, R greater than 1. That is equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R, R less than 1. Third one, in an infinite GP, GP means geometric progression, the sum of the infinite terms S into A by 1 minus R, where R less than 1. Now, some more important points. The third one is A plus D into R, A plus 2D into R square and so on form AGP, arithmetic geometric progression. Then the first one, nth term, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D R power n minus 1. Second one, sum of the n terms Sn equal to sum of the n terms Sn equal to A by 1 minus R dr into 1 minus R power n minus 1 by 1 minus R whole square minus A plus n minus 1 into D into R power n by 1 minus R. Third one, sum of the infinite terms. Sum of the infinite terms. vector S into A by 1 minus star plus dr by 1 minus star whole square. Now fourth one, sum of the first n natural numbers. Sum of the first n natural number. Sum of the first n natural numbers that is sigma n, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n, then value n into n plus 1 by 2. The sum of the first n natural numbers. Fifth one, the sum of the first n, the sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. The sum of the squares of first n natural numbers is sigma n square. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and so on plus n square. Squares that is equal n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1, 4 by 6. This one. The sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers sigma n cube is the sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers sigma n cube equal to 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube and so on plus n cube, that is equal n square to n plus 1 whole square whole by 4. So it is written as n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So n into n plus 1 by 2, it is the sum of the first n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. So that is equal sigma n whole square. So sigma n cube is equal to sigma n whole square. This is some problem. 1 plus 4 plus 10 plus 19 plus so on. 3n square minus 3n plus 2 by 2 is equal to dash. First option, second option, here we have 4 options ఉంటాయి. ఇందులో A option correct. So LHS value, you verify the options. If n equal to 1, LHS equal to 1n. Now if n equal to 1, 1 square, 1 plus 1, 2. So first option is right option and second option is right answer. So 1 or 2 or more options is there. So if n equal to 2, verify. LHS equal to 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5. So first option 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. So that is 10. Second option 2, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. So it is 5. Third option, 4 into 3 by 2, that is 2 3 is 6. Fourth option, 2 into 3 by 2 whole square, that is 9. So second option is right answer. So now verify the, if n equal to 2, the LHS value is 1 plus 4, 2 times R clearly, so that is equal to 5. So that value, second option is right answer. First option lo we put n equal to 2, we get 10. Second option lo we put n equal to 2, we get 5. Third option lo we put n equal to 2, we get 6. Fourth option lo we put n equal to 2, we get 9. So which option is the right answer? Second option. Now another problem. Second one. 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8 plus 1 by 8 into 12, 8 into 11 plus so on, n terms equal to dash. So the first option is n by 6n plus 4. Second option is n by 3n plus 2. Third option is n by 4n plus 6. Fourth option is 1 by 2 into 2n plus 3. Okay. Now verify if n equal to 2. Same as ఇక్కడ n equal to 2 తీసుకుంటాం, ఇక్కడ కూడా n equal to తీసుకుంటాం. If n equal to implies LHS equal to 1 by 2 into 5 10, 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8, that is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 40, is 40 LCM 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 40, that is equal to 1 by 8, the value 1 by 8. So if n equal to 2, n equal to 2 by 6 to the 12, first option 6 to the 12 plus 4, that is 16, that is 1 by 8. Second option, we put n equal to 2 by 6 plus 2 8, that is 1 by 4. Third option, 2 by 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6 40, that is 1 by 7. Fourth option, 4 2 into 4 plus 3 7, that is 1 by 40. So which one is the right option? The first option is the right option. So verify if n equal to 2. So suppose if n equal to 1, 2 or more options is there. So if verify, we put n equal to 2. The first option is right answer. Okay, now third problem. One square plus 3 square plus 5 square and so on up to n terms. Up to n terms. First one is n into 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Second one is n into 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1 by 3. Third option, n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 12. Fourth option, n into n plus 1, 2n minus 1 by 6. So perfect. Put n equal to 2. N equal to 2, the value. What is the value? LHS. LHS value is n equal to 1 square plus 3 square. That equal to 1 plus 9, that equal to 10. So now first option verified. If n equal to 2 is a 4 minus 1 3, 4 plus 1 5 by 6. It is 5. 4 minus 1 3, 4 plus 1 5 by 3 is 10. 2 plus 1 3, 5 by 12. So 6 2s are cancelled. So 5 by 2. 2 3 3 by 6. 6 cancelled, that is 3. So which option is the right answer? So second option is the right answer, because you put n equal to, verify the options. If n equal to, LHS equal to 10, the first option is 5, second option is 10, third option is 5 by 2, fourth option is 3. So second option is the right answer. So this type of problems series one type. Now and divisibility by problems. Fourth one. For all n belongs to n square n power 4 minus 1 is divisible by number 1 60, second one 120, third one 45, fourth one 90. Okay, last is zero. Now put first we have put n equal to 1. 1 is there, so that value is 1 minus 1 0. So 0. So put n equal to 2. Then n square n power 4 minus 1. 2 square 4. 2 power 4. 2 power 4 minus 1. So that equal 4 into 16 minus 15, that equal to 60. So 60 is the, therefore 60 is divisible by, for all n belongs to n square minus n power 4 minus 1 is divisible by 16. Now flip flop. For all n belongs to n, 14n for n, 16n minus 1 is divisible by first option 64, second option 49, third option 132, fourth option 32. Put n equal to 1. Put n equal to 1. Then 49 for n plus 16n minus 1 equal to, n equal to 1, that value 49 plus 16 minus 1, that equal to 49 plus 15, that equal to 64. So 64 is divisible to 64. So the first option is right answer. N belongs to n. 3 power 2n plus 7 is divisible by first one 8, second option 60, third option 24, fourth option 64. If n equal to 1, then 3 power 2n plus 7 equal to 3 square plus 7, that equal to 9 plus 7, 16. If n equal to 2, then 3 4 2 into 2 plus 7, 3 4 4, 3 4 4 9 plus 7 81 plus 7, that equal to 88. Now here 16 is there, and the multiples of 8 16 is there. Now GCD of these two 16 88, greatest common region, దీని HCF అని కూడా అంటాము. సో దీని యొక్క GCD ఎంత? వాట్ ఇస్ ద GCD వాల్యూ ఈస్ 8. సో ద 8 ఈస్ divisible by 3 power 2n plus 7. So that is the option. In similar way, for all n belongs to n, 7 into 5 power 2n, 12 into 6 power n is divisible by first option is 13, second option is 19, third option is 247, fourth option is 26. If n equal to 1, then 7 into 5 power 2n plus 12 into 6 power n, 7 into 5 square, 12 into 6, 7 into 25, 72. So that equal to, that value is 247. 725 is 1 75 plus 72, that equal to 247. Now if n equal to 2, then 7 into 5 2 is 4 plus 12 into 6 square, 7 into 5 square, 5 into 5 into 625 plus 12 into 36. So that value is 4807. Now the GCD of these two, 247, 4807. Here it's 247 is there, and these two GCD is 90. So 90 is, which is the divisible of 7 into 5 power 2 4n plus 12 into 6 power n. So that is 90. So 90 is there. So option is 2. Plus 4 cube plus 6 cube and so on. 2n whole cube equal to k into n square, n plus 1 whole square. Then find k. Options. First option 1 by 2, second option 1, third option 3 by 2, fourth option 2. Okay, so this 2 cube, 4 cube, 6 cube, and so on, 2n whole cube. To get now the common value is 2 cube. 2 cube is common. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on plus n cube. which is the sum of the cubes of n, first 10 natural numbers. So that equal to, that value is sigma n cube. 2 cube is 8. Sigma n cube is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Okay. So 4 2 z. So now that is equal k n square n plus 1 whole square. So now what is the value of k? That implies 2 plus k 2 equal to k. So the fourth option is right now. 1 square plus 2 square, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, and so on, n brackets equal to dash. First option n into n plus 1 whole square and plus 2 whole square by 12. Second option n into n plus 1 whole square n plus 2 by 12. Third option n square into n plus 1 n plus 2 by 12. Fourth option n plus 1 by 2. So which one is the right answer? Verify the option. Verify. Put n equal to 2. So n equal to, then LHS is 1 square. First bracket this one, second bracket this one. 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. That equal 1 plus 5. That equal to 6. So 6. Which option is, the value is 6. First option. We take n equal to 2. 2 plus 2 3 square 9. 2 plus 2 4 square 16 by 12. So 3 is 3 4. Now 2 3 is 6 4 is 24. Is it wrong? Now second option. 2 plus 1 3 square 9. 2 plus 2 4 by 12. 4 3 is 3 is 2 3 is 6. Now third option. 4 2 plus 1 3 2 plus 2 4 by 12. 4 3 is 3 cancel 4. Fourth option. 2 plus 1 3 by 2. So the first option is 24. Second option is 6. Third option is 4. Fourth option is 3. We put n equal to 2. So what is the value of 4? The LHS value 6. So 6 is second option. So the right answer is 3 into 2. 2 plus 6, that is 8. What is the right option? First option 2 plus 1 3. 2 power 2 minus 1. So that is 6. Second option 2 power 3. 2 cube 18 into 16. Third option 2 square 4 8. Fourth option 2 plus 1 3. 2 square 3 4 12. So which option is it? Third option. So right one is third. Okay. Learn problem. Now we just took the nth term of the series. the nth term of this series, the nth term of the series four plus 14 plus 30 plus 52 and so on equal to dash. Okay. First one is 5n minus 1. Second one is 2n square plus 2n. Third one 3n square plus 1n. Fourth one is 2n square plus 2. So we verify, same as verify, put n equal to 2. If n equal to the second term is t2 is equal to 40. The second term is 40. Now 5 into 2 minus 1, that is 9. 2 square plus 2 into 2, 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 4, 12. 3 2 square plus 1, 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 2, 12 plus 2, 40. Now 2 2 square plus 2, 4 2 is 8 plus 2, 10. Now the third option is correct answer. Because the second term is 40. Now 12th one. The nth term of the series. The nth term of the series 3 plus 7 plus 13 plus 21 plus so on is first option 4n minus 1, second option n square plus 2n, third option n square plus n plus 1, fourth option n square plus 2. In similar way, verify, put n equal to 2, put n equal to 2. Term 2 is 7. Now verify, n equal to 4 2 is 8, 8 minus 1 7. N equal to 4, 4 plus 4 8. N equal to 4 plus 2 plus 1 7. N equal to 2, 4 plus 2 6. Now these two options is there. Now verify, put n equal to, verify, put n equal to 3. T3 is 30. T3 is 30. 3, the first option is 4 is 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1, 11. 3 square 9 plus 2 3 is 6, that is 15. 3 square 9, third option 9 plus 3 plus 1, that is 13. Fourth option 3 square 9 plus 2 11. So the third option is right answer.